Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by planning 8 to 12 weeks with 5 to 3 hours daily of focused study, because consistency trumps cramming. Begin with one full diagnostic Toefl test that takes about 4 hours to find baseline strengths and weaknesses. Set a target score for admission and divide study time by skill so you allocate more sessions to weaker areas. Build a weekly calendar with fixed blocks for practice, review, and simulated tests, and reserve one day, a week for lighter review and recovery to avoid burnout. Design daily routines focused on each Toefl section. Spend 40 to 60 minutes on reading passages and timed question practice, annotating main ideas and paraphrases. Practice listening for 30 to 45 minutes using recorded lectures and conversations. Transcribe key sentences and summarize aloud. Do 20 to 30 minutes of speaking practice with timed responses daily, record answers, and compare to model responses for pacing and clarity. Reserve 40 to 50 minutes for writing practice twice a week. Take a full-length practice test every 7 to 10 days under real conditions to build stamina and timing. Simulate the 4-hour test with breaks, and use the official time limits. Review error logs weekly and focus on the top 3 recurring mistakes, then design drills to eliminate them. On test day, get 8 hours of sleep, eat a balanced meal, bring required ID, and arrive at least 30 minutes early to familiarize yourself with the center. Manage time strictly during the exam and skip hard items to return later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.